In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome default zoom settings. This is perfect if text feels too small on your screen, if you're using a high-resolution monitor, or if you'd like to fit a little more content on the page without constantly zooming in and out. We'll set a default level so every website opens at the size you prefer. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in the desktop version of Chrome, since the setting we're adjusting lives there. With Chrome open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots that open Chrome's main menu. Click those dots, then choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's preferences, organized in a sidebar on the left. In that left-hand menu, click Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks and feels, including themes, fonts, and the zoom we're about to adjust. On the right, find the option labeled Page Zoom. This is the global default for how big or small web pages will appear. By default, it's usually set to 100%, which is the standard size. Click the drop-down next to Page Zoom. You'll see a list of percentages. Pick the one that matches your needs. For example, choose 125% if you want everything to be larger and easier to read, or 90% if you'd like to fit more content on the screen. As you select a new percentage, Chrome immediately applies it. There's no Save button to press. That means your choice becomes the default for your browsing right away. A quick note on what this affects. The default zoom changes how text, images, and layouts appear across websites in general. It's different from zooming a single site temporarily. If you've ever used the zoom controls in the menu or keyboard shortcuts to adjust just one page, those per-site changes don't alter your default. What we're doing here sets a consistent baseline for all pages going forward. If something looks a bit off after changing it, maybe buttons feel too large or text is still small, just return to the same page zoom dropdown and choose another percentage. You can always go back to 100% for the standard view. And remember, you can adjust this anytime. It's a quick way to make Chrome more comfortable for your eyes and workflow. That's it. You opened Chrome, went into Settings, selected Appearance, found Page Zoom, and chose the default level you prefer. Your new default is already active and ready for your next browsing session.